Hello and welcome. Today, we're showcasing the Sevenblue 2-pack multi-purpose under-sink organizers that maximize your under-sink space with an innovative L-shaped design, cleverly avoiding pipes and garbage disposals. These organizers feature smooth sliding drawers that let you easily access items stored in the back without any hassle. Plus, you'll get an extra small basket perfect for sponges and brushes, helping keep your space neat and clutter-free. Installation is quick and tool-free, so you can set it up in minutes without drilling. Made from durable, waterproof ABS plastic, these organizers resist rust and fit most undersink areas securely. With dimensions of 15.5 by 12.85 by 9.25 inches, they offer ample storage for all your essentials. Stay organized and enjoy a cleaner kitchen or bathroom with this smart storage solution. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.